Hi guys, so I'm pretty much on my way home from college, and today I've just been thinking to myself whether or not I should upload this video I recorded over the weekend. I was pretty much going to go to this car meet in Essex and try and record the way, kind of like vlog it, and just do some really cool video on some really sick cars in this car meet. But because I got a shit camera and it was at night, even though it was in a lit up area, it was just shit. I couldn't get any good pictures, good videos, nothing. I got a few alright-ish kind of things, but because the quality is so poor, I have edited the video and everything, but it came out not looking how I was expecting. And I kind of haven't been sure whether I should upload it or not, but I think, as I've already went there... Oh shit, there's police up ahead. Oh, what the fuck's happened here? Shit, there's another Miata being towed by the police. What the fuck? Probably just broke it down or something. But yeah. I'll upload this video tonight because I've already been there and done it. But just keep in mind when watching it, it isn't very good quality. And if I do keep doing videos, I am going to invest in a new camera because mine is dreadful. Also, I know the microphone's crap, so I am looking at those as well if I'm going to keep doing this. But yeah, let's just get to the video. It isn't the best quality, so yeah. Hey guys, tonight I'm off to a car meet. It's in Essex, called the Essex Social Eclipse. It's the first car meet I've been to. I'm just going to go see what it's about, see what it's like. I'm not too sure what I'm expecting, to be honest, because it's in Essex. I don't know, not sure. It's not really a massive car scene around here, so I'm kind of just expecting like some courses and stuff. But you never know, could be some nice cars, could be some Japanese cars, whatever. But yeah, it's been organised by Essex Cruisers, which I think is a company in Essex that does a lot of bikes and things. I'm not too sure. But yeah, I'm not going to try and record the way because it's really dark outside. Doubt it will come out very well. But I'll take some nice shots and videos of the meet when we're there to show you what it's like there. Hope it'll be good.